What's up YouTube, Shakai the Gun Guy here, and today we have a quick unboxing of the new ETS mags for the CZ Scorpion. And when I tell you, these things are beautiful. And of course I got this filled with hollow point rounds. But here's one. This is a 30 round mag. And here's my other. All right, so this is what it looks like out of the box. Very well made. And as you can see right there, does have the ETS logo on there. ETS, I love what you guys do, Elite Tactical System. All right, so now let me show you what this looks like in the gun. So that's what it looks like in the gun there. And heck, my gun's on safety, so I'll show you guys what it looks like with the loaded mag in there. But I'm gonna take it out very quickly. That's what it looks like with the loaded mag in there. All right, now we're gonna take that out. And that is just my quick unboxing of my new ETS mags. These things are beautiful. If you own your own Scorpion Evo, I definitely recommend you get yours. The ETS, they have them out available to the public now, so get you one, man. This is Shakai the Gun Guy here, and I'm out.